it's me, Alegra. Babes, oh my god, look what I got here. Yes, this is the Wet n Wild dupe, the James Charles Wet n Wild dupe palette, and I got an email that it was available online. So this is the Wet n Wild supposedly dupe of the James Charles Morphe palette. So I got this palette to play with today, dolls, and I created this look already, so just keep watching if you want to see how I made this look. And I'm having a giveaway for one of these for you, dolls, so just keep watching to see my look and my little tutorial, and also how you can take part to win one of these for yourself. So dolls, my James Charles dupe palette got here, the Wet n Wild 40 color palette. I'm not sure if it has its own name. It's, yeah, the 40 palette. So this is the box that it comes in. Yeah, this is the box that it comes in, and then this is the palette itself. So this is my first time opening it, but it feels very luxurious. It's very, like, it's a matte soft feel to the cardboard, so it's really nice. I love the watercolor and their new logo, I guess. They're getting bougie now. So here it is. Ooh, it's really pretty. So guys, I wish I had my James Charles here with me, but I don't because I'm traveling right now. But I believe, is it, now you guys let me know because I'm not really sure, but doesn't the James Charles have some like large pans in his? So it just has, like, you know how sometimes Morphe has, like, they'll have a few large pans. I think this has that, but I'm not sure. Let me know, guys, in the comments if I'm wrong or right about that. But what do you guys think that James Charles was going crazy saying that this, is he suing, guys? I think that I saw something that he was going to sue Wet n Wild, so I'm not sure. I purchased this Wet n Wild palette online, so if this was at the drugstore and I went in, I would be so flippin' happy. I can't even imagine. It is really beautiful, so I can't wait to play with it and create a look today. Dolls, I did get another one for you beauties. So I did get another one, and this one is for you guys for a giveaway. So just comment below if you'd like to be entered to win. This is the James Charles. This is another one for you guys. So this was purchased directly from Wet n Wild, so it's all authentic. And so just be a subscriber to my channel and just comment below that you'd like to take part, and then I'll have you entered and I'll pick a winner next week. So now, in all honesty, guys, I was thinking about doing like warm shades. I was wanting to do a, you know, fall type of look, but now that I see these gorgeous shimmers, oh my god, they look stunning. So it doesn't have any scent. Some cosmetics, do you guys notice they will actually smell like chemicals? It has like a chemical scent, but anyway. I really don't think this is, it doesn't remind me of the James Charles, and I don't know why, but I could be wrong about that, but I just feel like something about this. I don't know, guys. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you think it looks exactly like the James Charles, or what? Do you think they copied him? Do you think he has any kind of chances at winning a lawsuit? I don't know. I do not know, guys. Putting it in with a synthetic fluffy brush and just pressing in that concealer. So I think that's pretty good. Let's get right into the eyeshadow. That's like my favorite, you know what I mean, guys? It's my happy place. So I'm gonna do a warm smoky eye with this. I just feel like it, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I just really want to reach into these kind of warm shades. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna just dip right into this shade here. So I'm just gonna tap this on and just tap off the excess and just pack that, okay, on my eye. So wow, that's not bad. Wow, so that's really nice. I wasn't expecting that. Wow, because you guys know I was so, if you've seen my video, but I was literally losing my mind the other day over my Norvina. But I was like watching and I was like, girl, you are way too excited. But I was so excited that day. What are you gonna do? But look at that. That looks very comparable to my Norvina. I'm really shocked, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen that up a bit. Let me take some of this shade, this chocolatey shade. And guys, this palette is $20. Let's see. Hopefully none of these come out patchy. That's really looking gorgeous. This chocolatey shade is very beautiful. Wow. So I'm just tapping that on the outer portion of my eye. But let me put some of this shade to blend out what we just did. So I'm just taking another. I love to use different brushes because I'm going to go back in and repeat my steps with the previous brush and the shades on it. So I like to use different brushes for that purpose. So I'm going to use a fresh brush for every color. So this is actually really stunning as well. Wow. I'm just going to take this shade now on a fluffier type brush and let's just blow that out. Guys, that's actually really beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the previous shades that we did. So I'll go right back in again just to bring it back. Tapping it on. These are blending together really beautifully. I'm shocked. Well, I really shouldn't be shocked because isn't Wet n Wild's amazing? Their highlighters are stunning. Like you guys, you know, you've seen yourselves, I'm sure. Their highlighters are amazing. And look at that, guys. Wow. I just put this shade on top of that one, tapped it on, and it made the most gorgeous color blend. Wow. I am so in love with this so far. Wow. Just taking a clean fluffy brush and just buff out my edges. I am so shook, guys. Let me just try, just for fun now, like this would look gorgeous. Cut your crease or just pack some more color on here for a more natural look. But I'm just going to do a little, I just want to try some of this just for fun. So I'm going to pop some of this red in the outer portion. See how that comes out. Wow. So beautiful. Now this would look gorgeous, you know, if you just packed some more color on there for the daytime look. You would look absolutely stunning. But, you know, just for fun, I'm going to cut my crease. So, and like so, carve out a nice crease. So, like always, I like to go ahead and put the color on that right away before it starts to set. So, let me use this gold shade right here. Pack that right. Ooh, wow. That is gorgeous. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Wow, guys, that's so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye really quick. And then I'm going to finish this off some more. You know, I'm going to do the under eye, but I'll come back and I'll do that with you guys. But I'm just going to do this eye really quick. The same thing we did here on this eye. So I'll be right back. So guys, I did this eye. So effortless that actually took, I should have just even let you guys watch. It actually took me seconds to do that eye. So I'm going to take, let's see here, this shade here. Again, I love this shade. And I'm just going to wipe that under my lower waterline. And now I'm just going to take this really super dark shade and let's just put this on the lower portion of my eyes just to deepen it up. And I'm just going to put on some liner. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes and I'm going to finish my face, do my face. Actually, I have nothing on right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put on foundation, all that good stuff. And then I'll be back to finish up the look with you dolls. So I'll be right back. So dolls, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of this James Charles dupe, the Wet n Wild 40 color palette. Yeah, so this is the 40 palette from Wet n Wild. So wow, I'm really shocked. Although I really shouldn't be because I have used Wet n Wild products before and they're always amazing. The lips are amazing, the highlighter is amazing. I truly hope they'll bring this in store, not just online, because wow, to see a palette like this in your drugstore, to just be able to go in and come out with a palette like this would be so much fun, so amazing. So because I've never seen a palette like this, you know, with all of the shades in the drugstore. And I have seen now some palettes at the drugstore, these teeny tiny little palettes, and they're charging like $20 something, $24. I saw a palette the other day, it was like $24 at the drugstore. It was like 4 colors and I was like, what? Who are you kidding? No, please, no. And it wasn't even a high-end brand or any brand I had ever really heard of. So it was like, wow. But Wet n Wild, yes, bring this to the drugstore, please. Every babe in America, in the world, needs to get their hands on this palette. It is so crazy. $20 for this amazing, amazing palette. As I can't even imagine to be able to walk into your drugstore and come out with a palette like this, with all of these shades. It makes me so happy just thinking about, you know, every babe in America I'm not sure if they would have this available all over the world, but in America, you know, every baby being able to just go in store and come out with such a gorgeous, fun palette that is really great quality. I can't wait. I hope they bring this in store. I'm not sure if it is in store yet, but I purchased mine online, so hopefully they will bring this in store so everybody can have so much fun playing with color, creating amazing looks for themselves. And I will definitely be back, guys, with a vibrant color look. I just I can't help it when I'm in a mood to do something. I just have to do what I'm in the mood for, and this is what I kind of was in the mood for today. So I will definitely be back though, guys, with a more vibrant eyeshadow look. Would love to use those greens, would love to use that silver sparkle. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Definitely comment below and let me know if you would like to win this palette. Definitely you have to just be a subscriber to my channel. So all you have to do to take part is be a subscriber to my channel, and all my giveaways are for my subscribers. So definitely just be subscribed and comment below that you'd like to take part, and I'll be picking the winner within the next few days. So I cannot wait to see who wins, and also check out my huge monthly makeup giveaway, which should be up right now. So we have that, I have that huge giveaway every month of just all kinds of amazing fun goodies for you beauties. So all you have to do to take part in that giveaway is just be a subscriber. Like I said, all my giveaways are for my subscribers. That's all you have to do to take part. So let me know what you think of this palette, guys. Do you think James Charles actually has a shot at winning his lawsuit if he's having one? What do you think? Do you think this is similar to the James Charles Morphe palette? Let me know in the comments your thoughts about it. What you guys think about it. It's so crazy, but anyway. I'm gonna look online, and I'm pretty sure though that James Charles had bigger pants, if that matters. But anyway, so I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, love you.